Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of this video. So right now we're going to reveal what the brownies look like. So yeah, well, quickly before they burn, you know. Just using oven gloves. Always use oven gloves or a cloth to take it out, but not a thin tea towel. I've burnt my hands way too many times, so yeah. The duration of leaving brownies in the oven is 20 minutes. I should have stated that. But yeah, that's what they look like. How awesome are they? Oh my god, I'm so happy that they did not burn. Just saying. So yeah, you could do it like that. Or if you really wanted to, instead of making chocolate cakes, make chocolate brownie cupcakes. And for that you just need to put in cake cases, I couldn't say it then. Cake cases. And then have it cooked that way. Honestly, what I like to do is to cut it up a bit into a few pieces and then put them in a tub. So that's what I'm about to do now. And I need to show you the way that I do it. I don't know if I showed in the last video with the triple chocolate cookies. I've still got some left. So I'm putting some of the brownies in the same tub. So yeah, for this step, you just need a knife. A clean knife, I should say. So that there's no cross-contamination or anything like that, you know. Still quite warm. Just chop it up into some, I keep on getting hair in my mouth. Chop it into like, ooh, lengthways. Yeah. As you can see, this is an easy cut recipe. But if you're a kid, ask a grown-up to help you, especially with the oven and with using a knife. You know, you don't want to get injured. So yeah, that's what they look like. Oh my god, they smell amazing, not gonna lie. So anyway, thank you all for joining me on this journey again. And stay tuned for the next episode where I'll be making carrot, apple and cinnamon cupcakes. So please stay tuned. See you next time. If you haven't already subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel. If you have any videos, suggestions or song suggestions, then please comment them in the comment section below. If you have any questions to ask me, then please feel free to comment them in the section below. Any queries or concerns or anything at all, again, please feel free to comment them in the section below. And if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Thank you all for joining me and see you next time. Bye!